purpose of our business is to help our clients raise their credit score as quickly as possible. We do this by going down two paths. The first path is to address the negative things that are on your credit report and try to get rid of as many of them as possible. Sometimes we're successful at getting things removed without payment. The second path is to help you establish positive new credit and teach you how to use it so your scores will come up. Our clients typically see a 50 to 150 point improvement in their credit scores in the first 90 days, and we're usually done with what we can do for them in about 4 months. Our clients all start at the same place. We call it the Profile Review Program. This is basically the counseling and education, and we teach you what you need to know to actually manipulate the system to your benefit. Cost for this program is typically $100. We do offer small discount for people that are veterans, veterans, teachers, and law enforcement. What we do is we order the reports on your behalf if you're willing to give us your Social Security number, and once the reports show up in your mailbox, which takes about 15 days, then we get together and go over them and discuss what can and can't be done, what should and shouldn't be done. If things are simple, I'll explain to you what you can do to take care of it yourself and send you home. If, however, it's a little more complicated than that, and you choose to, you can enroll in our Ultimate Credit Improvement Program. That program basically takes the information from the credit reports, establishes a database, and letters are published to a shared Dropbox folder. And you would need to sign them, print things, sign them, and post them at your local post office. So there's two fees associated with the Ultimate Credit Improvement Program. The first fee is $2.99. That basically pays for my time to produce all the documentation. As far as the world is concerned, I am not in your business. So you will need to print, sign, notarize as necessary, and publish to the post at the post office. Some things are certified return receipt, some things are just certified, and we try to save you some money that way. So we get started by taking your personal information over the phone, or you can sign up on our website. You have an option on the website to just put everything in there except your Social Security number, and if you leave a box checked, we will call you to get that information. Otherwise, we'll provide you with a phone number so you can place the order for your reports yourself. Anyway, the Ultimate Credit Improvement Program again is $2.99, and that's the setup fee, and then we charge $50 for each record that's removed or made positive. And that pretty much covers it. Give us a call if you choose, or you can sign up on our website. Look forward to working with you.